Hello guys, in this video I am just going to explain how to fix this issue. For example, if you are trying to increase the volume, I am pressing the volume up button, okay, but it is locked, okay. It says settings currently limit headphone volume. So, I do not know how it happened. So, if you want to unlock it, right, if you want to unlock it, just press this up volume button and hold it and then press this home button, okay, press home button. So, pressing the up volume button and then home button, because the lower max headphone volume setting is turned on. Okay, I am going to turn it off. Again I am going to tap turn off, then give OK. So, actually it will be under settings. So, go to settings and here go to Bluetooth audio, sorry, come to audio. So, if you did write limited, okay. So, if you enable this lower max headphone volume, then you need to disable it. So, now you can check the sound. So, I am going to do the maximum volume. Yes. So, that is it friends. This is the way you can fix the issue in Nintendo Switch 2. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks from me. Thank you. Bye. Take care.